classroom. Now, my response is as follows. I have been doing this for class size in excess of 200 and sometimes often in excess of 300. My method has not changed with respect to size of the class. Method has not changed. The point is, you will always see a small fraction of students who get genuinely inspired by your actions, your way of teaching. And majority of them may not be interested. And my point is precisely that aim for those who are likely to be inspired. You don't have to target the other side, the so-called majority. Brutal majority may not be very much keen. But identify those who may be getting inspired because they are able to have the pleasure of learning something as simple as tetrahedron. The other thing I do, even to install the tetrahedron is very important. I just dismantle, make all this tetrahedron, create a bunch of it. Imagine large auditorium, create a bunch of it, and I take a bunch of it and just throw in the class. What will happen? If I throw a 10 tetrahedron in one go, what will happen?
10 will.
They will be aggressively reaching out. Class becomes light. Class becomes light. It removes lethargy. And what do I accomplish? Class becomes light. So they listen to me. And when they have the structure, next thing what I do, I tell them, tell me 5 observations about the object that you are holding in your hand. 5 observations. I'm not teaching. I'm making them think. I'm making them react. 5 observations. And they will say, it's a tetrahedron. Okay, you're using your prior knowledge. Nothing fantastic about it. Something else. And then they will say, one bond is always projecting up. That it comes on their own. I'm not telling. One bond is always projecting up. Somebody told this. Now, someone else told that there are 109.5 bond angle, 109.5 bond angle. Someone told that there is also a 120 bond angle. Wow. Where did you see 120 bond angle? Projection. Projection. This angle, when projected, because in the process, what I am doing, what I am accomplishing is that this is one representation of a molecule, but I have to slowly dissolve into projection formula. I am supposed to teach Fisher projection, Newman projection, Sawhorse projection. I am slowly getting the projection out from them. I am not telling, hey, this is Fisher projection, this is how you should say. No, I won't do that. I am making them think that if I were to project this by shining light, what I see is angle between this and this is 120. It's a projection. Whenever you say projection, it's reducing the dimension from higher to lower. That's the meaning of projection. It's like shadow. We are a 3-dimensional object, but we stand in sunlight.